very shy child. We tried this 3 months ago when I asked her to buy a packet of chips. She said, I don't want to do it.
She was not a very shy child, but still there was something that was always pulling her back from going and approaching people.
Dhriti goes to a school where all that is expected out of students is to look at the board and write whatever is put on the board.
Because every time there is always talk about her spellings and her reading and that and this. So I was all prepared to hear the same stuff.
She was a child who hated to write. Wouldn't pick up the pencil. The moment she picked up the pencil, all kinds of problems would arise.
It's been like more than a year now, right? So there is a big change in Sana. What we have seen as of today is the attitude. She's become very confident. I mean, we in fact let her go and talk to anything. She goes to shops. She goes and asks for stuff in whatever language it is. I mean, that's like really huge.
Last week she volunteered and said, okay mom, I'll go and buy it. She took the change, went to the person, got what she wanted. So for me, that is because of Sparkling Minds, and I'm so happy for it. Thank you so much.
Because what her ma'am specifically mentioned was her thinking capabilities. She said she's like a hard working, hard committed and hard thinker. So she supposedly grasps everything and thinks about it and goes back to the ma'am and clarifies her doubts.
And she volunteered to start learning cursive writing. For me, that's a big thing. She's able to put pen to paper. In the 3 months that she's been here, I have seen her evolve as a thinker. I have seen her do things that amaze me even today.
So this is what we're seeing as a big change in the way she's looking at things and grasping things. So that I feel is like something that's developed after she's joined this place. I had to write a poem on the earth. So I was like, oh man, I opened the diary and I saw a poem on earth. I'm like, oh, I have to write the poem now and I'm not good at it. So I take Sana to the room and start with the book and she has the poem ready. It's like amazing. I just had to help her with spellings, which is okay. So she knew what she wanted to write. So that was beautiful. That was amazing. So a lot of creative stimulus. Her brain is working. It's not in my neighborhood. We are Sparkling Minds. I come back from work and just get her here. It's not easy, but just pushing it on because it's really having a very positive impact.
Me, Sparkling Minds has been the best investment ever. That are not tangible. You might not be able to see it in class because you spend 1 hour, but that 2 hours that they spend here or the 4 hours that they spend here, it translates into a lot back home. So thank you very much.
It's like all that we wanted was a confident child, and that's what I'm getting. So it's awesome.